Understanding annual forecast. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, annual forecast. This is a term you might hear in different contexts, such as weather, finance, or business. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how it's used. Annual forecast refers to predictions or estimates made for a whole year. This term is commonly used in various fields. For example, in meteorology, it means predicting weather conditions for the upcoming year. In business, it could mean projecting sales or growth for the year. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning. 1. Weather forecasting. Here, annual forecast involves predicting temperature patterns, rainfall, or snowfall for the year. It helps in planning agricultural and disaster management activities. 2. Business and finance. Companies use an annual forecast to estimate their revenue, expenses, and growth. It's crucial for budgeting and strategic planning. 3. Environmental studies. In this field, annual forecast might refer to predictions about climate change effects, such as sea level rise or temperature changes over the year. Understanding and creating accurate annual forecasts is vital for planning and decision-making in various sectors. It helps in preparing for future trends. Whether it's a business or weather pattern, forecasts help in preparation and adaptation. Resource management. Accurate forecasts enable better allocation of resources like finances or emergency services. Strategic planning. For businesses, it's a tool for setting goals and measuring performance against projections. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, annual forecast, and its importance in different contexts. Remember, the key is in the details and the specific field it's used in. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson where we'll explore more interesting English phrases and their uses.